What's up, guys? Biker Dave here in my 2017 Dodge Durango RT. But what I'm going to tell you can affect many different vehicles that have what is called eco mode. Fortunately, my vehicle, you can disable it just with the push of a button. And I know some of you think that it's great for fuel mileage to enable eco mode, which basically disables some of the cylinders while you're driving. If you don't need the extra horsepower or the extra load, it will disable a couple of the cylinders that allegedly saves fuel and emissions. Total BS is what I tell you, because yeah, it might do all that, but it also causes problems within the cylinder, because the cylinders that are being disabled do not heat up fully or get up to temperature, which keeps oil circulating properly at a proper temperature. All I can say is, if you can disable it, do so. We see lots of cars at Christian Brothers Automotive in Canton, Georgia, where I work, and eco mode causes more problems than good. Some of you may not be aware of such things, but we see it all the time. Turn it off. That's all I gotta say. Find out a way to disable it and turn it off. Let me say it again. Turn it off. Do not use eco mode in your vehicle. Anyway, that's all I had to say. I got tons of other videos about this car and many others on my channel, as well as motorcycles, dirt bikes, golf carts, ATVs, scooters, classic cars, motocross bikes, Yamaha YZ250, 250F, Honda 450F, you name it. There's all kind of stuff, over 2,000 videos on my channel, so check it out. You might find some stuff that you like or enjoy, or it helps you. So make sure you click the thanks button if our video saved your life. And like, subscribe, follow. We appreciate it. And if you've experienced issues using eco mode, feel free to comment below so that other people can see it. You'll have a great day. We shall see you all later.